Okay, so now let's discuss division. So division is the most challenging of all the operations on decimals, no? May mga steps tayo dito, pero after this lesson, easy lang pala ito, no? So, we have here example number 1 and 2. Find the quotient of 122 when it is divided by 2, and number 2, divide 105,265 by 10. Okay, so in our elementary, ang mga teacher natin, no, maraming steps sa division. Pero, para ma-recall mo lang, ma-reminded ka lang sa steps, use this acronym. No, DMSB. Ay, sir, ano yung DMSB? Okay, so, D for division, M for multiplication, S for subtraction, B for bring down. Diba? Yun ang apat na steps in long division. Okay? Para hindi mo makalimutan, you can have this as don't mess somebody. O, diba? D, don't mess somebody. Diba? Para if mag-answer ka na ng long division at nakalimutan mong steps, so just recall, don't mess somebody. Okay, so let's solve number 1 using don't mess somebody na process. Okay, so anong ang process natin, no? Si 2, dito si divisor, 2, tapos dito sa loob si 122. Okay, ano nga ang first step? Okay, first is division. So, first, we have here one digit na divisor. So, tingnan natin ang one digit ng dividend. So, first is si 1. Tingnan mo. 1, so dito natin isulat no 1 divided by, 2 divided by 1. This is how we read this, no? 2 divided by 1 divided by 2, or 2 divides 1, ha? Or 1 over 2. So, if that's the case, decimal ang result, no? Decimal. O, sige. So, para ma-reminded ka lang na natapos mo na ito si 1, so, lagyan mo ng 0, or pwedeng walang 0. Okay? Pwedeng wala, pwedeng meron. Then, you go to 12. Ang 2 digits na ang gamitin mo. So, ilagay mo dito. 12 divided by 2. May answer ba? Meron, di ba? 12 divided by 2. So, 6. Again, ang skill na dapat dito, ang multiplication table. Dapat memorize mo na yan. Okay? So, 6. 6 times 2. Di ba? Sunod sa division, multiplication. So, 12. Okay. Then, tapos, don't mess somebody. S na tayo. Subtract. Subtract ito. Okay, subtract mo lang. Tapos, 12 minus 12, 0. Tapos, bring down. The last part, bring down 2. Then, do the same. DMSB na naman. Don't mess somebody. Divide. So, 2 divided by 2. Oh, merong answer, hindi madedesimal. So, 2 divided by 2, 1. So, 1. Okay? Tapos, multiplication, 1 times 2, 2. Tapos, subtraction, 2 divided by 2, 0. May i-bring down ka pa ba? Wala na. If that's the case, this is the answer. Tapos ka na po sa long division. And your answer is 61. Okay? Ganyan lang po ka-basic pag whole number sa division. Okay? DMSB. Okay, so let's have example number 2 for whole numbers. Erase ko muna to, no? Erase, erase, erase. So number 2, divide 105,000 by 10. Okay, so again, si divisor 10, si dividend 105,265. So, si 10 isulat dito, 10, tapos ipasok sa loob, si 105,265. Okay, at ito po ang i-remember nyo din. Kung si divisor, like kanina, is 1 digit lang, so tingnan mo ang first digit ng dividend. So yun ang ginawa natin ngayon, 2 digits, 1 at 0, si divisor. So go tayo ng 2 digits sa dividend. So dito tayo si 1 at 0. Okay, what's the first step? Divide. 10 divided by 10. Pwede. 1. So, it's 1. After which, multiplication. Diba? 1 times 10, 10. Tapos, subtraction. Don't mess somebody. Don't mess somebody. Okay? Tapos, after subtraction, 10 minus 10, 0. Pwede na hindi ilagay. Bring down, 5. Tapos, divide naman. No, 5 divided by 10. Uy, parang decimal ang result. So, if ganyan guys, since na-bring down mo to si 5, tapos hindi pala siya pwede pang ma-divide kasi decimal, lagyan mo ng 0 dito sa quotient mo, sa part ng quotient mo. Okay, this is 0, no? Then, bring down another, or sige, let's follow the steps na lang, no? 0 times 10, 0. Then, tapos subtraction, don't mess somebody. 5 minus 0, 5. Then, bring down 2 at 52 ka na. So, 52 divided by 10. Pwede na. May 5 na malagay. So, 5. Ano ba tong ballpen ko, no? Hindi man siya masulat. 5. So, 5 times 10, 50. Okay? 50 siya. Then, tapos subtract. 52 minus 50, 2. Tapos, ano nga sunod? Bring down, 6. So, ano man ang maggamit natin na number? So, 26 divided by 10, ang pinakamalapit is, so, lagay muna natin dito, no? Okay. Next time, no, mag-order ako ng pen tablet para perfect ang pag-teach ko, no? So, 26 divided by 10, ano na number ang pinakamalapit? 10 times 1, 10. 10 times 2, 20. 10 times 3, 30. So dun ka sa 2. So 2. 2 times 10, 20. So dito natin isulat, no? Continuation, 26 minus 20. So 6. Tapos, ano pa? May number pa ba na i-bring down? Meron si 5. So bring down 5. And do the same process. Divide. 65 divided by 10. Ito, si divisor kat ito. So, ang pinakamalapit, no, is 6. 6 times 10, 60. 65 minus 60, 5. Okay. And we can stop there. That's your remainder. Okay, yan lang muna ang iti-teach ko, no? That's your remainder. So, your quotient is 10,526 with a remainder of 5. That's it. Baka sa board exam, the question is, what's the remainder? So, ganyan lang po. Then, you will ask, bakit remainder na siya, sir? Kasi wala na tayong number pa na i-bring down sa dividend. Tingnan yung dividend. 105,265. Wala na. Bring down mo na si last number, which is 5. And that's it. Okay. That's just a review for division, right? What if we have division on decimals? Okay. Find the quotient. Okay, just a review also. Quotient is the term. Ang term po na quotient ay ang result ng division. So, kung mag-divide tayo, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So, 5 po ay quotient. Quotient siya, no? Para lang ma-recall ka. Okay. Find the quotient when 36.09 is divided by 3. Okay. In this case, guys, easy lang if ang divisor natin ay whole number. Okay? If whole number, basic lang. Treat that as whole number like kanina lang ang pag-solve natin. So, ilagay natin si 3. So, 3. Tapos sa loob, 36.09. So, like what I said, treat this first as whole number. Following, divide, don't mess somebody. Diba? So, divide. So, again, we have only one digit. So, dito muna tayo sa one digit. 3 divided by 3. Perfect. 1. 1 times 3, 3. Then, ano nga ang sign dito? Subtract. 3 minus 3, 0. O pwede na natong hindi isulat. After subtraction, bring down. What's the next number of 3? 6. Tapos, go back to step 1. Divide. Diba? 6 divided by 3. 2. Wow, ang perfect pala, no? 2 times 3, 6. Okay? 6 minus 6, 0. O pwede na hindi. Then, bring down 0. Okay. Then, here. 0 divided by 3. Para lang i-follow natin ang step, no? 0 divided by 3. It's 0. Diba? So, 0. 0 times 3. 0. 0 minus 0. 0. Okay, diba? Para lang i-follow talaga natin ang step na don't mess somebody. But may shortcut doon. Pero this is our process. Diba? So, i-follow na natin. May number pa ba na i-bring down? Meron pa. Si 9. So, bring down 9. 9 divided by 3? 3. Diba? Tapos 3 times 3, 9. Susulat natin dito, 9 minus 9, 0. May i-bring down pa ba? Wala na. Diba? Tingnan mo, na-bring down na si 6, si 0, at si 9. If that's the case, tapos na si don't mess somebody. Stop there. You have your quotient. Pero tingnan nyo, we are dealing with decimal. So, saan siya na align? Here. So, lagyan mo ng decimal. So, ang quotient is 12.03. Ganyan lang po ka-basic. Again, sa mga bahay nyo dyan, wherever you are, I love to learn math. I love to learn decimals. I love to learn division. Diba? Basic. Okay? Now, let's have example number 2. What if your divisor is not a whole number? This is case number 2 also. So, isulat mo lang. 0.3, okay, 0.3, tapos sa loob si 3255.3. Okay guys, if ganito na case guys, dapat si divisor whole number. Pero dito ang given is 0.3. Your next question in mind should be, paano magiging whole number si 0.3? Okay, so easy lang to guys, no? Easy. This is how to solve this. Okay? If we move the decimal place of the divisor from the left to right, magiging 3 siya. So, if we move this part, dapat mag-move ka din ng 1 time sa dividend. So, ito ang decimal, move ka rin 1 time. And we will be dealing now with whole number. Diba? Whole numbers na. Si 3 at saka si 32,533. Ganyan lang. Ganyan na ganyan lang. And solve like whole numbers. Okay, let us solve. Okay, erase ko muna, no? Erase as whole numbers na. As whole numbers na. Okay, here. So, 3, tapos sa loob si 3255.3. Okay. Diba na-move na pala natin? So, 3 na siya. Okay. But before that, bakit kaya, sir? Bakit equal lang yun, no? Bakit ganun? Okay, so, here, show natin dito, no? Diba ganito ang pagkasulat dyan? If we will use this symbol, no? 3,000. Sige, sulat muna natin ang kanina. Bakit kaya pwedeng ganon? So, ganito ang pagkasulat, diba? 3255.3 divided by 0.3. Okay. What did we do in order to move this one? Anong ginawa natin? So, we multiply 10. Diba? 0.3 times 10 is 3. So, since we multiply the denominator by 10, dapat mag-multiply ka din sa numerator by 10. Kaya, itong 3,255.3 magiging 32,533. 553. Kaya pala, yes, that's it. Ha? Nag-multiply tayo sa divisor, mag-multiply tayo sa numerator, so same lang sila. Okay? If two digits, like if it's 32 example, for example, 0.32, so 2 times ka din mag-move. Ganyan lang po ka-basic. So, let's solve. Okay, erase muna natin ito, no? We will solve that. And that's just like solving whole numbers, right? Okay, very basic now, right? So 3 divided by 3, the DMSB, don't mess somebody. So 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 times 3, 3. Tapos subtract. 3 minus 3, 0. Pwede na ito ilagay. Tapos si 2. Okay? Si 2 ang i-bring down. Tapos 2 divided by 3, ay, hindi pa pwede. Kasi maliit pa si 2. So, lagyan nga ng 0, di ba? Kung hindi pa pwede. Tapos, divide na tayo. Multiplication. 0 times 3. 0. Sunod, subtraction. 2 minus 0. 2. Di ba? That bring down 5. Ganyan lang. 25 divided by 3. Ano kaya ang pinakamalapit na number, no? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Ay, doon ako sa 24. So, 24 divided by 3, 8. 8 ang pinakamalapit. So, isulat ko si 8 dito. Tapos, multiplication na naman. 8 times 3, 24. 25 minus 24, 1. May i-bring down pa tayo. Meron pa si 5 here. So 15. 15 divided by 3, 5. 'Di ba? 5 times 3, 15. So isulat natin dito, no? 15. 15 divided by 15 minus 15, 0. May number pa ba na i-bring down? Meron pa si 3. 3. So lastly, 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 times 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Tapos may i-bring down pa ba? Wala na. And that's it. That's just it. We have solved division on decimal. Diba? That's just it. Math basic. I love to learn math. I love to learn math. I love to learn math. Ganyan na ganyan lang. Okay? Let's try number 3 before your assignment. Okay, ito po si number 3. Okay, tingnan mo. So, again, isulat lang natin dito, 1.2, tapos sa loob, si 3,048. Again, dapat si divisor, which is 1.2, dapat whole number siya. So, ano nga ang tinuro ko? I-move siya to the right. So, naging 12. So, here, saan ang decimal point ng 3,048? Andito siya sa last. So, if we move 1, mag-add ka ng 0. Diba? It's 3,048. Dito yon ang decimal. Pero nag-move ka ng isa because you also moved the divisor once. And that's a whole number. That's easy already, right? Very basic, guys. Ganyan lang po sa division. Dapat ang learning nyo, ang whole numbers, tapos pag decimal na, make it whole number 2. Diba? So, let's use DMSB. Don't mess somebody. So, again, we have 2 digits. So, sa 2 digits na tayo. Anong pinakamalapit na number? 2. Because 2 times 12, 24. What's the next? Subtract. So, 6. Tapos, bring down 4. So, ano ang pinakamalapit kaya na i-multiply natin ni 12 na magre-result ng 64? 5. Bakit, sir? 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 5, 60. 12 times 6, lagpas na, di ba? So, 5. 5 times 12, 60. Tapos, bring down, subtract. 4, bring down 8. Tapos, division na naman. 48 divided by 12. Klaro, nasa pattern. It's 4. Because 4 times 12, 48. So, 48 minus 48, 0. Okay? Maibibring down pa ba? Meron pa si 0. Pero if that's the case, si 0 na lang ang last, pwede mo na ilagay here as your final answer sa quotient mo. If si 0 na lang ha, if 0 na lang ang remaining, pero kung may katabi pa siya like 7, hindi pa ganyan. So if si 0 na lang, pwede nang ganyan. And that's it. Your quotient is 2,540. See, we are dealing with decimals, but we have whole numbers as result. Whole number as result. Ganyan lang po ka-basic. I love to learn math. I love to learn math. I love to learn division on decimal. Diba? Basic. Now, for question number 4, this is your assignment at home. Okay. Now, baka magtatanong kayo, sir, ganyan lang ba sa LET? Mga division, bibigyan kami ng numbers, tapos at sign agad na i-plus, i-subtract, i-times, at i-divide. No! It's by means of word problems. Word problems, I mean. Diba, world? Marami pala akong problema, no? World problems. Word problems. Hindi na 25 plus 32 plus 7 ilagay sa LET. Hindi. So, ganito po. Practice. Number 1. The mass of a sack of sugar is 30.75 kilograms. What is the total mass of 13 sacks of sugar? Diba? So, dapat sa LET din, you have the skill, diba? The basic skills, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals. Pero hindi ganun ang pag-question doon. Na diretso na lang na add, subtract. Hindi. Ito po ay via word problem. So, ganito. So, dapat may comprehension ka rin, no? So, ang mass daw ng isang sako ng sugar ay 30.75 kilograms. So, ilan ko no ang total mass kung 13 sacks of sugar? So, ano man ang style dito? Ang iba, pwedeng, di ba? Ang iba kaya sa mind nyo, sasabihin nyo, so sir, it's 30.75 plus 30.75 kasi 13 sacks. So, sir, so 13 times. Yes, that's it. Pwede. Pero ang taas, no, walang calculator sa LET, no? So, the shortcut is you multiply 30.75 times 13. And that's it. It's your assignment at home. Diba? You try multiplying using the knowledge you learned from my previous contents. Diba? Ganyan lang. So, dapat ang comprehension nyo, guys, nandun din. Diba? It's useless if you have the skills. Diba? Pero, pag may word problems na hindi ka nakakomprehend, pero multiplication lang pala, pero addition lang pala, di ba? So practice din na magbasa at mag-comprehend, di ba? Magbasa ng story, anong question para ang comprehension yung ma-improve. Okay. How about number 2? Ano kaya ang gagamitin? Ken studied a total of 34.4 hours over a period of 5 days. On average, how many hours did Ken study each day? Okay, so si Ken daw nag-study ng total 34.4 hours over 5 days. So, like Monday to Friday, ganyan. Kung ako mag-comprehend, no? So, you have ways, no? You have your ways. So, sa akin ganito, ibibisaya ko, itatagalog ko. So, 34.4 hours daw sa 5 araw. Ang question, each day. So possibly, i-add mo lang 34.4 plus 5, hindi, di ba? Dahil it's for 5 days, itong 34.4 time tinatanong each day. So, it's division. Ganito po ang format. So, solve that at home. Di ba? Ganyan lang. You know the skill, but if comprehension na hindi na, so hindi ka pa rin makakasagot. So please try and try. But improve your comprehension, reading and comprehension skills. Okay? Lastly, this one. If Gina's monthly salary is 18,015, how much does she have left after she pay for the following? Rent, 1,840.50. Cable TV, 900.50 pesos, electricity, 1,050.62 pesos, and groceries, 5,424.87 pesos. So, anong gagawin? Si Gina may sweldong 18,015. Tapos may mga expenses daw siya sa rent, sa cable TV, electricity, groceries. So anong gagawin? It's your assignment. I want you to comment. Only 3 ha, number 3. Comment your answer in the comment box. And I will just like it or heart it if it's correct. Okay, I know you know this. So comprehend, read, and comprehend. And you know the skills, and you will surely pass the licensure examination for teachers. So if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates. Congratulations for passing the licensure examination for teachers.